Hi, welcome to my channel System Web Tech. In this video, we will learn how to create multiple sheets, 30 sheets or weekday sheets or Sunday to Saturday, Monday to Sunday. How can we create multiple sheets on single click? How to navigate them and format instantly on all the sheets. So let's start it. Suppose we want to create 30 sheets of full month, 30 sheets. So how we can do, what we will do, we'll take the dates. For example, we are taking the dates. Let's take the date of first and 2019, right? And take it by till bottom. So these are the sheets, right? And we want to create all these multiple sheets, so many sheets on single click. What I will do, I will just go to the, these are my sheets. I want to create all these sheets of these, right? So I will select them, format it, right? So I will select all these and go to the insert. I will go to the table, and here I will create, okay, table ranges, right? And click OK. Now from here I will take it to the filters, and in filters I will again in analyze go to the options and click on the show report filter pages. So I will got the all the 33 sheets, whatever the dates were present. Let's show you, right? Here are all the sheets. You can see on single click, on a few clicks I got it. Now I want to navigate all, I want to format all these sheets on this sheet. I will select all sheets, and then I will do the work. I will delete. So if you want to navigate, you want to see the sheet, then just click top bottom left, extreme bottom corner left, bottom left corner. Just do the right click here, and after right click you will get the all your sheets. So it's easy to navigate you, whatever the sheet you want to go, you can go directly. For example, I want to go to sheet 18 and I will click OK. So it will directly directly take me to the sheet 18. Now what I want to do the formatting, same formatting in all my 30 sheets. I will go to, let's take, I select this range and put the border here, select the border, and also let's take the name. Name is right. So, and let's do some formatting on it. Right, and so this is the way we put some formatting. So we will see this formatting in on every sheet. Sorry, we forget to select all sheets. You have to take select all sheets before starting to work. Let's take it again and let's see, and let's copy it in another sheet. Let's copy it in 20th one, and we copy it. Set all sheets and let's take the border, right, and type it something. For example, the word we take. And let's do the center. And now check in on other sheets as well. So format is present everywhere. So this is about the creating the multiple sheets on few clicks from sheet 34 to all sheets. Let's show you. Navigate it from sheet 2, from sheet 2. So everywhere is font is available. So this video is about single click on creating of 30 sheets, multiple sheets on few clicks, and navigate and format instantly. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.